This is Lesson 8. Topics for this lesson. The tools we are going to use on Quantum GIS are add layer, add WMS/WMTS layer. Add layer, add ArcGIS MapServer layer. Add layer, add ArcGIS FeatureServer layer. And the websites we are going to visit today are Agriculture of Alberta, Genius's ArcGIS Server, ArcGIS Online, Agriculture, and ArcGIS Canada.
Hello everybody, this is lesson 8 and we are going to be working with Web MapServer, WMS today, and other kind of things related with that one. I'm going to show you. I'm not going to explain a very difficult definition of WMS, Web MapServer. Okay, you can look for this information if you want. What I'm going to say, the WMS is like a website where you can go and see maps, okay? But the advantage of this kind of websites is that you can load all these maps in your software, okay? And you can use that maps to create your own maps, okay? Because you're going to see the information in your software, okay? To do that one, just go here, layer, add a layer, okay? And as you can see here, add WMS, okay? Also, we are going to be working today with ArcGIS MapServer. That's the same, but it's a website from the software ArcGIS. But we can load also these maps on Quantum GIS. And at the end, also, we are going to be working with this option at our ArcGIS FeatureServer. Okay, that's a really good one because for the first two options, these ones, okay, you can not manipulate the information, you just can see that information, okay? But for the last option, you can download vectorial files where you can manipulate that information, okay? You can save on your computer and you can manipulate, okay? That's a really good option. To start, let's go to visit a few links. First of all, is going to be this one, okay? I'm going to tell you that there are a lot of websites can provide you web map servers, okay? But I'm going to tell just about 3 different websites, okay? But if you make a bigger search, you're going to find more information, okay? There are a lot of information, okay? But the one I'm going to show you, for me, I believe that's pretty important, and it's very good to know you can use that kind of resources, okay? Here you have all these maps, okay? You can load all these maps, okay, and every option sometimes have more maps inside. For example, in this case, agricultural land resources atlas, inside here you have a lot of maps. There are different options, okay? This one is the last version. Then if you click here, you have all these layers, okay? Then you have a lot of maps here because as I tell you, one option have, for example, more layers inside, okay? Let's go to start with this one. Click here, and here you have different options, okay? And that's the layers. Let's go to take a look about these options, okay? If you click here, you are going to see the layer in this software. This is an online software, and that's totally for free. Let's go to open. This is a ArcGIS Online. That's just a viewer, okay? As I said at the beginning of the video, you can not manipulate this information, just view. Go here, click here to see the options. here, sorry. And here you have all these layers we saw here, all these layers. You have here all these layers, okay? You can check the box and you are going to see the layer. Biodiversity risk, for example, and you have the map here, okay? And if you want to see the legend, you have the legend there. And for most of these maps, you know, the cartography is only down, but for the agricultural area of Alberta, as you can see here, all this one is the agricultural area, okay, not the green area. Let's go to check other different map. This one, for example, aerial extent of wetlands. You see there, okay. Now let's go to check other option. Sorry, click here again. No, we was here. For example, if you have Google Earth installed in your computer, you can download a file and you can see that information on Google Earth, okay? But the thing we are interested is to load these layers or these maps in our software, okay? To do that one, just go here, WMS, click right on your mouse, then copy link location, okay? When you have this link copy, you have to go here, layer, add a layer, and then go to this option, add a WMS, okay? Once you are here, click on new, copy the URL, that's the link, copy here, then you can go copy the name of this resource. In this case it's going to be this one, copy, paste here, okay. Now then you have to click connect, okay? That's the layers you have, or the maps you have. In this case we have just one. Then connect, and you have here all the layers, okay? Let's go to open one of these ones to see how it works on the software. Let's go to open this one. This one is groundwater quality risk at. You can close here and you can see the layer, okay? We can select what coordinate systems we want. In this case I'm going to choose this one, apply, okay, and you have the layer there, okay? Sometimes it takes time to load the information because you are asking this information to a website, okay? Sometimes it could be fast, sometimes it could be slow. It depends how much information you are going to load on the software, okay? And you can treat this layer as a raster file, for example, okay? And let's go to load one more layer, for example. If you go here, click here, browser panel 2, you are going to have this panel here also. Oh, sorry. I believe it's this one. Let me check just for a while. Yeah, it's this one. I'm going to put this panel here. I would like to remove this one. It's the same. Let's go here. I don't know why I can see the here. I don't know. Okay, it doesn't matter. Add a layer. Now this one, connect. Let's go to add all organic soils, for example. Organic soils, open, add, close. You have the legend there, okay, and you have the map here, and you can do a map with this information also, as we did in other projects. Yes, select the area you want the map, then go to the scale, 25K for example, go inside the map. I don't know the map. As I said, it takes some time to load the map, you know. And sometimes if you put a very big scale or very small scale, the map doesn't appear. It's not easy to work with this information. I don't like too much, you know, but if you don't have more options for the map you are going to create, that's a resource you need to know there is, right? Then you can add a legend, whatever you want. That is like a raster, okay? But the legend in these cases are not nice, and I'm going to recommend to do the legend manually, okay? Just with this option here, add a rectangle, then add text, okay? Something like that. Okay, now I'm going to add one more. That one is going to be the last one for this kind of. We can add even a different option. We can go here and check one more map. For example, let's go to see this one. This is a base map of Alberta. As I said before, click here, go here, WMS, copy link location, go here, layer, add layer, add WMS, click here. That one is going to be a new one. Copy the link here, copy the name, provincial base map A, copy, go here, paste the name here. As you can see, this kind of links, it finish with WMS. That's an important one. Connect. When you are connect, select the map you want load and add the map. Close, and you have the map there. And if you want to do a location map, you can use this kind of maps also. As you can see, it takes long to load the map. Sometimes even the server doesn't work and you can load the maps. It can happen also. Okay, let's go to leave like this. And now let's go to see one more website. It's going to be this one. Copy. Page. Okay, what I'm going to say about this website is a lot of maps you have here at the ArcGIS layer, at the layer. You can select the option here. Connect. Operation cancel. Maybe the server doesn't work now. Okay, it doesn't matter. And you can see all these maps here. Okay. And if you go to the, if you open here, for example, this one, let's to see if now it works. This one, because maybe it doesn't work also. Yeah, it works. If we go to the properties, we can go to the metadata to know the information, and you are going to have a description for the information. This one is cancel. This one is groundwater quality risk. Properties. If you go to the bottom, you have to look for groundwater quality risk. Groundwater quality risk. Then you have here a small explanation what this layer represent. Okay. Now is load the other map. But if you want to know more about it, you have this website. Okay, in this website you have a lot of maps. Okay, groundwater quality risk is the layer we was talking about it. This one, groundwater quality risk. And here in this website you have more information about this layer. Okay, a description, data sources, how it was created, right, potential uses, limitations, and further information. Also you have the layer here in a PDF format. Well, it's not a PDF format, it's like a picture. Okay, it doesn't matter. And also you have other maps to see. For example, if you are interested in wind erosion risk, you can click here and you are going to see the map and you are going to see the information about this layer. Okay, now let's go to see more things. This one, copy. This is a very important source from the website of ArcGIS. Okay, if you go search, you can search for a maps, for example Alberta. And that's crazy, right? You have, I'm going to show you, you have 198 different pages, and every page has maps. Then you can find a lot of different kind of maps about Alberta, and that's a very interesting sources. Okay, but one I like and I'm going to show you is that one, Topo. That's for topography. And now I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, that's a topographic one. We have to select this one, go here, click view item details. Here if you go to the bottom of the page, you have to copy this link, copy, clicking here. Now we can, I'm going to remove all these layers. Okay, remove, and remove. And now go layers, add a layer. In this case is going to be this option, add ArcGIS MapServer layer, because that one is from the website of ArcGIS. Click here, new, the process is the same. Paste the link here, copy the name, or you can put whatever you want. The name for that one is going to be wall topographic map. Copy, go here. Okay, now connect, select. I'm going to recommend to select this option to load the maps instead to other options. That's, I believe, is the faster one. Add. Okay, we have the map there. I don't know what happened. Okay, it takes time. I'm going to load. We are in South America, Nicaragua. I'm going to load this picture here to go to Alberta faster. Zoom to the layer. Yeah, it makes all the process very slow. Okay, guys. Now is the area we was working the other day. And why is this topographic map very good? I'm going to tell you. Okay, because as you can see here, the resolution of the map, the topographic map, is really good. You have the houses, you know, these houses here. You have the cartography of the houses. Okay, sorry, it was that one. And also the contour lines, as you can see here, is every meter. That topographic map has a really high resolution, and you can work in this map a very big scale. For example, we're going to add this map here. Is the area we was working. As you can see here, that's almost 2000K. That it represents 1 millimeter on the map is 2 meters on reality. Okay, that's a really good resolution to work in a map. If you need a very good resolution, you can use this topographic map. We was working, I believe it was in lesson 3 or 4 or 2, no, 2 no, 3 or 4, I believe. We was working with topographic maps, and that maps was 250K and 50K, but now we are talking about 2000K, 2K, okay, 2K. Okay, I don't want to confuse anyone. Okay, the maps we was working on lesson 2 or 3, it was 250K and 50K, but this map could be 2K. That's a really good one. Okay, I'm going to recommend install this WMS from ArcGIS, okay, because that's really good. I don't know why, because if you add this panel, has to appear the maps here. Maybe I have to restart the software. Let's go to do it. Close, open, and also we can look for other kind of maps. For example, let's go to download other map. This one, superficial geology, okay? Sorry, I have to go first. Here, view it in the tiles. Copy the link. Go to the software. Okay, now if you click here, you have the maps you have. ArcGIS MapServer. Okay. Now we are going to add one more layer. Add. That one is from ArcGIS. Then we have to choose this option. New one. Click the link. As you see, this one finished with a different name as the other ones we did with WMS. Copy the name. For this one is going to be superficial geology 1M. Okay, connect. We have just one layer. Add, and we have all the superficial geology for the province of Alberta. Scale 1M. Okay, you have the description, and as I said, you can use this kind of information to do your maps. Zoom to the layer. As you can see, for example, for the river, we have this kind of sediments, fluvial deposits. Then in this area, we have the blue ones, is this one, glacial lacustrine deposits. And we have this brown here, a dark brown, is that one, colluvial deposits. Okay, you can use that one for your maps. Yes, go here, composition, okay, and add the map, select the scale, and that's it. Okay, let's go to check one more option. I'm going to remove these layers here, remove and remove. Okay, the next website is going to be this one. Copy, paste. Okay, geospatial products, and you have here a lot of information. Okay, but we are going to go to here, geospatial web service. You can check here the information. You have a lot of information. As I said before, there are a lot of websites, you know, private websites, websites from the government, you know, a lot of information. Then you have to decide what information you are going to use. You know, you are looking for information with a good credibility. Okay, that's really important. And this website is the same as the other ones. You know, you have here the links for the WMS. For example, let's go to load this one. Click here. Then here, click here. Then we have to look for WMS. Oh, sorry. What happened? Just click right on the mouse. Copy link location. Go here, add layer. It's going to be add WMS. A new one. Copy the link, paste, copy the name. Paste. Okay, connect. That maybe take longer because that one is for all Canada. We have different kind of maps here. Let's go to check water quality. Add. Close. Let's go to change the project properties. Let's go to choose this one. Apply. Okay. Okay, something wrong. Let's go to remove. Okay. Layer, add layer. Oh. WMS, connect. Water quality, add. Close. Zoom to the layer. It's good to add the province of Alberta to see better the map. We have that file on lesson 1. Province, Alberta, open. I don't know what happened, it doesn't work now. I'm going to restart the software. Sometimes it happens. When you are working with web map server, sometimes there are bad connections, so I don't know, can happen a lot of different things. Let's go to try again. I would like to project in this coordinate systems NAT 83 Alberta 10 TM forest. Apply. Let's go to add the layer. It was one of these ones. This one. It was water quality. Add layer. Let's see, now it works. Okay, I don't know what happens. Or maybe I have to choose the year. Oh, what is that one? For this one, add. There we go. Now let's go to add the province of Alberta. We have, let's go to apply a transparency properties here, transparent solid line A15, apply. Okay, we have the province of Alberta there. It's also for just agricultural areas. That's it for 2011. risk of water contamination by pesticides. Okay, that's an example. Let's go to add. Well, I believe that's enough. You have here a lot of maps also. You can see 22 pages. Just look for the one you want. Here say 150 WMS. You can imagine how many maps you can load. Okay. The last link is going to be, well, we was talking about all the links, but what I'm going to do now is to talk about the layers we can add, but that ones are going to be as features. Okay, at ArcGIS FeatureServer. That's a pretty interesting one because, as I said before, that ones are vectorial files. Okay, for example, let's go to check if we find anyone here. Okay, when you have this kind of item here, it represents that's a feature. In this case, that it's a line. Okay, for example, for this one, this is a polygon. Okay, if you see just the points, this is a layer with a point. Okay, in this case, I'm very interested in groundwater, Alberta. Is this layer, even we have no the item here to see that one. I know that one is a feature. Go here, view item detail, copy the link. Let's go to remove these ones. Remove. Okay, and remove. Okay, now layer, add a layer, and in this case it's going to be add ArcGIS FeatureServer layer, new, copy the link here, and the name is water Alberta, water wells Alberta. Okay, copy, page. Okay, now connect. Okay, there is an error. Let me check here. You see here there is a zero slash. You have to remove these two characters. Now, okay, connect. Okay, you have the layers there. As I said, that ones are a vectorial layer. Let's go to add one. Groundwater vulnerability for the north of Saskatchewan region. Let's go to add this one. This one is a vectorial one, okay, and it takes time to load the information. As much information you have on the layer is going to take longer. But the advantage of this kind of layers is that you can save the information inside your computer, because that one it's a vectorial layer, okay? Then to do that one you have to wait all the information is already loaded, then you can save the layer. And you are going to work faster when you have the information inside your computer. Now save as, I'm going to use, sorry, that kind of coordinate reference systems is okay for me. Now I'm going to select the lesson 8. I created the folder already, and I'm going to keep as a groundwater bull north SAS. That information is enough. Now save and okay. And now we have the information inside our computer. We can remove this one, and now it works very fast, okay? And you can edit this information because that one is a vectorial one, it's not as the other ones. For example, go to properties, and also you have here the information for the attribute table. As you can see, there are a couple of fields you can categorize. We are going to categorize that one. Okay, properties, labels, show the labels. Here the field is going to be this one, as we said, apply. Wait, I make a mistake. No, oh, I don't want to see that one. I want to, oh sorry, properties. I make a mistake. Yeah, I don't want to see the labels. I don't know why I'm thinking about it. I want to classify the information, then categorize. Select the column you want. It's this one. Then classify. You have the colors there. Apply. And OK. And for example, if you add this picture here and go zoom to the layer, as you can see, you have the information there. And you have the water vulnerability risk for North Saskatchewan region, and in your area you can see that one here. The water vulnerability is really high, okay, and high in these areas. Okay, other important layer I would like to mention, I'm going to close this one, remove, is the feature we downloaded already here. At it's an at ArcGIS FeatureServer layer. Connect. And this one is the groundwater information. This is the from groundwater walls we have in Alberta, but there are a lot of information. This file is too big. Okay, I'm going to add. As you can see, to load all the information this layer has, it took me yesterday 1 hour. Okay, after 1 hour waiting, all the information was loaded. Then I save as groundwater walls in Alberta, and I keep inside my computer. Then you can use very fast, right? Because now if you want to use this layer, the software is going to crash. You can do anything, just wait until everything is loaded. Okay, it doesn't happen in ArcGIS. You can load the information very fast, right? But we are not working with ArcGIS, we are working with Quantum GIS. Okay, and I believe some of this information, you know, we was getting the information from the main website for ArcGIS, and these kind of files, you know, they are down to work with ArcGIS. Okay, and you can work faster in that software. I'm going to stop the process, remove. Okay, yeah, I'm going to add the layer. Okay, the software crash. I'm going to open the layer, and I'm going to show you how it looks like the layer for groundwater walls. But you know, if you want this information inside your computer, you have to wait at least 1 hour. It depends on your connection on the server. Okay, let's go to select the project properties. I'm going to select this one, apply. Okay, as I said, that one is a vectorial information. I keep yesterday in one folder as Alberta. Is that one, water walls, open. Okay, that's the information. Okay, that's all the walls we have in Alberta. That's a lot. As you can see, the attribute table. That's the amount of walls we have, almost 500,000. Okay, as you can see, if we add the layer, go zoom to the layer, that's our area. And then the nice thing is when you have a vectorial layer like this one, you can edit whatever you want, right? For example, here you can see these points, it represents walls. You can change, you know, the item, apply, and now you have different kind of item, right, to see better. And you can do a lot of different things, okay? And as I said, that layers, they're really good, okay, because that's a vectorial layers. Let's go to load one more to see a little bit more. Alberta. Sometimes doesn't work, sometimes work. Okay, that's, you have to try, okay? Let's see, for example, superficial geology. Okay, let's see if that one works. Maybe it doesn't work in Quantum GIS, but if you are using ArcGIS, you are not going to have any problem, okay? I'm not sure, I have to check. Layers. Add our ArcGIS FeatureServer layer. That one is going to be a new one. Copy the link here. Then go to the name. Copy. Paste, okay. Connect. Okay, we have the layer there. I'm going to remove these ones. Close before to add anything because I don't want to have problems. Remove. Remove. Okay, now I'm going to add the layer. You have two options now. Then you have to select this option, connect, and add. As you can see, the information is already loading. I don't know how much information is that one, you know, but maybe it takes a lot of time to load the information. I'm going to close to finish that video, okay? And that's it for today, okay? I'm going to do a extension video with this information and how we can use this information for our projects and make a map, for example, you know, with the information. But that one is going to be for the extension of lesson 8, okay? Then see you guys.